Hi, this is Dr. Scott Hoar, and today is Treatment Tuesday. Today our patient is Anna. Anna comes to us from where? From Knoxville?
No, Lenoir City.
Oh,
Lenoir
okay,
City,
from
yeah.
Lenoir City, Tennessee right here, and she has gotten really into fitness in the last year or so, and you've really transformed your body, right?
Yes, big time.
Okay, well congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that.
Thank you.
And then what sort of aches, pains, or abnormalities, what can we help you with today?
So I'm having knee pain, mostly when I run.
Okay.
It's like I can run fine on this leg, but not this one.
Okay.
I have to limp when I'm running.
You're limping?
Yeah, so
Okay.
I kind of stopped running for a while.
Okay.
For about 2 weeks now. So.
Do you have any goals with your fitness going forward?
Yes, I really want to become a personal trainer, as well as a bodybuilder. So.
Okay.
So I'm working towards that.
Right. So then, if you have knee pain that's limiting you from doing exercises,
I was pretty sad when that happened.
Now tell us about your experience with chiropractic. Have you ever had any treatment?
No, I have never. This is my very first time. So.
Got it. Are you nervous? Are you scared? Are you excited? Where are you at with that?
I'm excited, nervous at the same time because the sounds just kind of catch me off guard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get to it.
All right.
Okay, so what we noticed during Anna's examination was the x-rays looked pretty clean, a little bit of reduced curvature in the neck, and that opens the door down the road to abnormal movement and that sort of thing. So we'll want to get some neck treatment. But really her big complaint is her knee pain, and what we saw was while she was leaning back and while she was twisting is we didn't really see the range of motion and the ease of movement through her hips that we want to see. I'm concerned that maybe she's not moving through the hips enough, and that's leading to kind of excessive inappropriate movement in her knee. We saw during the squat itself, not only did she have kind of a weight shift forward that made her heels raise up, but she also had that knee pain. So we're going to see why isn't she sitting into her hips during the squat, and how is that contributing to her having her pain and discomfort that's making her limp when she runs and stuff like that. So. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Scooch up 2 inches for me, please. Okay. Good. That's good right there.
Okay.
And I'm just going to start with what we call motion palpation. I'm feeling for, it's my job to find any imbalances in your body. Sometimes the imbalances might be stiffness in some joints. Sometimes the muscles are tight on this side and loose on that side. Sometimes the muscles are firing very well on one side, not the other. And what I feel is on this side, it moves pretty well. And then right over there, it's not moving so great. Do you feel that as well?
Yes.
Okay. So then we're going to use a chiropractic adjustment to try to neutralize that or kind of press reset. Okay? And you've seen adjustments up to this point, so you kind of know what's coming?
Yes.
All right, good.
Is this going to hurt?
It might for a second.
Oh, God.
Yeah, let that go right there. Very good. Did that hurt?
No, it kind of felt good.
That's why chiropractic's around. A little bit on this side. Okay, ready? Very good. All right, so that helps to restore a little bit more normal motion in your neck. How does it feel?
Good. It does.
Good. Does it feel looser, or can you feel tension or pressure changing or anything like that?
Yeah, I just feel relieved.
Feel relief?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, so now we're going to make our way down your body. Okay. All right. Put your chin up to your chest. Good, like a sit-up, kind of up here like this. And breathe out. Very good. And again, chin to chest.
Oh, God.
That's good. Okay, good. That is stiff, huh?
Yeah, it hurts.
Okay. Yeah, your upper back could move better, that's for sure. Okay. I'm going to do an adjustment where I push right in there. Good. Hold it right there. Let that drop down. Good. Can you relax?
Yeah, I'm relaxed.
Yeah. Relax. Deep breath. Breathe in out. One more, breathe out. Okay. We're done with this area. All right, I'm going to do some muscle testing of your lower body here, okay? All right, hold your leg right there. What I'm going to do is straighten your knee. Don't let me do that. Ready? And again, not so great. Other side, going to straighten your knee. Don't let me. And again. Yeah, both hamstrings are weak, so we're going to look at something else now. Bring your knee up towards the ceiling. Hold it up right there. I'm going to push your knee into the table. Again, come on, resist me. No, nothing. Knee up. Hold it right there. Okay. So basically what we're seeing, your posterior chain, your glutes and your hamstrings are really not firing with any strength. So without that stability, you're not going to move through your hips. And your weight is going to shift forward to your knees and your quads. So do you train glutes and hamstrings a lot?
I do it like every other 3 days.
Okay, so not infrequently.
No.
Okay, muscle test. I'm going to push down like that. Don't let me do that. Ready? And again. Okay. Straighten that. I'm going to push down that way. Don't let me do that. And again. Hip flexors are weak as well. Hold it right here. I'm going to push down and out. Don't let me do that. Again. Ready? Pushing down and out. Man, we can't find anything strong on you.
I know!
All right, keep your legs together like this.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull just this one leg towards me, like that.
Okay.
Don't let me do that. Keep your feet together.
Okay.
Ready? You don't have to lift them, just keep them down. Ready? That's pretty strong. I'm going to do the same test on the other side.
Okay.
Ready? Again. And that one's not as strong. Would you agree?
Yeah.
So you could tell the imbalance of the right side versus the left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's fix that. Turn on your side, face towards me. All right, so your left inner thigh muscle tested weak. Your right one tested just fine. Okay, so the nerves that control that muscle come out of your spine at about the L4 level. So I'm going to grab that L4 vertebral segment and press the reset button on it. Turn your shoulders and your head and your eyes up towards the ceiling. Relax. So that's the segment I'm going to adjust, okay? Scooch towards me a little bit more. All right. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Very good. Okay. Feet together.
Okay.
I'm going to pull this one out there. Don't let me do that. Ready? Much stronger. Could you tell?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go check some of those weak ones from earlier. I'm going to push down on your knee. Resist that pressure. Ready? Much stronger. This side. Pushing down. Don't let me. Way stronger, yeah?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
Good. Let's flip you around on your belly. All right. Hold your leg right there. I'm going to straighten your knee. Don't let me do that. Lovely. Straighten in your knee. Don't let me. Awesome. Knee up towards the ceiling. Hold it right there. I'm going to push your knee into the table. Very good. Knee up. Hold it right there. Pushing into the table. And that one's weak, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Turn on your side. This side up. Okay. Good. All right. So the left glute tested weak. So I'm going to grab that left side of your pelvis and get some motion in there. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Good. Okay. Go face down. Knee up towards the ceiling. Hold it up right there. I'm going to push down. Definitely stronger, correct? Mm-hmm. All right, good. Flip around on your back. So, with your knees here.
Yeah.
Does that hurt?
A little bit.
It does? Does this hurt?
No.
No. Okay. Yeah, I can feel a little shifting and clicking in there when we do that. Okay. We'll go back to on your belly. Mm-hmm. So I'm releasing your popliteus muscle. That's actually a pretty darn tight muscle in the back of your knee.
I know.
Does this hurt?
Yeah.
Okay.
It hurts.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. Last one. Let it go. Good. All right, flip around on your back.
Okay.
Any difference?
Yeah, it feels much better.
All right, I'm going to do a muscle test. I'm going to spin your foot out like that. Don't let me do that.
Okay.
And it's not too bad. I'm still going to give you a little bit of a knee adjustment. So relax here.
Okay.
Good. Foot right here. I'm going to spin it out. Don't let me. There. I like that. Let me just feel around in your knee for a second. Okay. Good. I like it. Can you take your shoes off?
Yeah.
So a little bit of deviation of the big toe. Have you noticed that?
No, I didn't even know what that was.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what, if that continues and it gets worse, that becomes a bunion. A bunion is just that when it really it starts sticking out this way, and the whole angle of the big toe, and then it can become the whole foot, keeps angling that way.
Oh my God, I did not know that.
Yeah, it points to just abnormal foot mechanics.
Yeah.
So stuff like what we're doing right now is what helps that. I'm going to give you a little adjustment where I kind of yank your foot, okay?
Okay. Oh gosh.
Good. That gets your arch moving a little bit better. Good.
I didn't even know you could get your foot adjusted.
Yeah, anything with a joint can get adjusted.
Wow.
We'll do one last yank here. Good. All right, switch feet.
Okay.
Bend here. Yeah, same sort of thing.
Okay.
Good. Good. Last one here. Good. Actually, I lied. I'm going to do a toe. Good. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is this. Your squat, you were falling forward. Okay, so this was going on. Your heels were raising up, and all the strain and stress goes on your knees and your quads.
Yeah.
during that. We want you to be able to move your body where you stay engaged through your hips and your core, and you end up being a little bit more vertical with your spine, and not kind of doing that falling forward.
Yeah, I noticed that last week when I was doing squats. Like, I kept falling forward, and I was getting frustrated. I was like, oh, forget this.
I bet.
Yeah.
Okay, and squats are really important if you want to be a bodybuilder, right?
Yes.
Yes. You feel the difference?
Yes.
Now you got it. Keep going.
Keep going.
10 more. These are your best squats yet. So what's happening is the band's pulling you forward, so you're having to turn on all these muscles in the backside of you that typically are very dormant. They're sleeping, so you're turning them on, and because of that, your spine is able to stay upright. You're not falling forward. And how does your knee feel when you're doing these?
Great.
There's no knee pain at all,
Yeah,
right?
no.
Because you have the support from your back half.
Yes.
Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. This was Treatment Tuesday. My name is Dr. Scott Hoar. Hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you next week with our next Treatment Tuesday. Take care.